Right, Hayden's Habu, 50mm EDF. Second flight. Flying in crazy conditions, but
Captain Risky?
yeah, risky by name, risky by nature. Nice.
Oh, a bit better, elevator. A bit better. I have to go more, less exposed still. Yeah, a bit. Love the other ones.
Come on, hit the moon for us.
Jesus, you've got a bit of speed to her.
She does.
Wow. For a 50mm, man. Right, three cell.
Yep.
Shit.
You're on a 3S22?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other is better.
Yeah.
We'll take more exposure. 40% is too much. Even though I'm a huge fan of Expo, I don't need it on this.
Yep.
I feel like that's okay. Not bad. Hold a bit of up, but that's normal.
Do you have to hold a lot of up?
Not really. That's normal.
Okay. Might be looking at an approach soon. Already flying inverted on his second flight.
Landing. Bit of power. It's an EDF, don't forget. EDF, bit of power.
Power, power, power. Yeah, that'll do.
That's hilarious.
Hey.
Yeah.